What we do is we build product with and for merchants to make them even more successful than they are.
And that sometimes means flying over to the US or flying over to other countries just to sit with them and understand how they work. So when we talk about scaling for our merchants, it's not just for like building a one-fits-all solution.
So instead of listening to one merchant and figuring out what the need is in one case, we have to get out the office and talk to multiple merchants so we can come up with something that's valuable in the long term and not just for one case.
Then you want to scale it out. You really want that multiple merchants can use your product.
So for merchants, it feels like it's a subscription to innovation.
If you're connected to iGen, you have a portfolio of products you can use to grow, and I think that's unique.
Throughout my career and just how product design and user experience design works, it's more like an afterthought. When the development is done, they would just get someone to throw some design sprinkles on it. But here is very different because we're involved usually like in the very, very, very beginning of something. It's kind of cool.
We are very much in touch with the end user, with the merchant, sometimes even with shoppers, to figure out what the next steps should be.
Finance is complex, but I really love the fact that we can make it hopefully as simple as possible.
In other companies, I didn't have the opportunity to have such a close relationship with the people using it, because if it's e-commerce or anything like that, customers come and go. And for us, they're our partners, they stay for a long time. And I look over someone's shoulder and they're using something that I designed. I really like that. The reward on that sense is incredible. It's pretty cool.
I think the most nice thing for me is it doesn't feel like a job.